Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to test the new GPT-5 and how GPT-5 can help us with our on-page SEO. So currently I am building a new online store for a client of mine. And it is really important that the online store is fully SEO optimized. And for this purpose, I thought maybe, let's test GPT-5, the new GPT-5 model, and especially the deep thinking model and how GPT-5 can help us with the on-page SEO. So let me really quick show you the website. So the website or the online store is built with WordPress and WooCommerce. Here you can see this is the store. It is all about customized pet portraits and pet images and so on. You can see the pillows and the posters, and also a lot of different other product and product categories. You can see we have quite a few or a lot of content on the website. But it's really important that the website is fully optimized, because this the customized pet niche is a little bit difficult to rank for, because the competition is it's high. So to keep it that way, and here you can see the website. So or the front page, we have all the categories listed here. And then when you click on the categories, of course, you land on the specific category page. And on this page, we also have more content. But I want to check out if ChatGPT can help us with our on-page SEO. So then let's go back to GPT, ChatGPT, GPT-5, and let's activate the thinking, the thinking model here. And then let me copy and paste the prompt I want to use. So let me copy and let me paste this in. You can see this is the prompt here. I will link, or I will put a link in the video description where you can copy this prompt if you want to test it yourself. Then you can simply go there and copy the prompt, and of course then you have to put in your own URL. But let me show you. So you are an SEO expert. Analyze the following website content and metadata for on-page SEO issues. Your task is to analyze the website lordsofFur.com. Please analyze the homepage, about us page, main shop page, and the FAQ page. Identify missing or duplicate title tags, missing or poorly optimized meta descriptions, heading structure problem H1, H2, H3, keyword usage and density, image alt text issues, internal linking opportunities, readability and content gaps. After analysis, create a detailed action plan for fixing major on-page SEO problems, if any problems are found. Improve keyword targeting, enhancing content quality, increasing click-through rates from search results, optimizing core web vitals, and then finally prioritize the recommendations based on the potential SEO impact, and suggest the top 3 quick wins I can implement immediately for better ranking. So I think this prompt is not that bad. And with this, I hope GPT-5 can identify any problems we might have on the website and so on. And then let's fire the prompt, and then let's see what GPT-5 can tell us. So I think this will take a little time, because we activated the deep thinking model. I will be back when when we have some results. And here you can see live what's going on. So that GPT-5 or the agent are scanning our website and identify problems and searching the HTML code. Okay, GPT-5 is finished with analyzing our website. You can see it took us 2 minutes, and you can see the results. Awesome. Here's a focused on-page SEO audit for Lords of Fur, covering the homepage, about us, shop, and FAQ. I pulled what I could directly from the live page and called out specific fix ready changes. So you can see what I reviewed, homepage, the title, about us, the title, shop, and FAQ. This is good. And here are the findings, the potential problems, issues. We have title tags missing duplicate, no outright duplicates found on the 4 pages. Title are present on all 4. This is good. So yeah, I think I optimized the pages already, of course, with the title tag, meta description, and so on. This should not be the problem. But if you're doing this, then maybe you don't have the optimized title tag and meta description. But yeah, then optimization issues. A shop title is generic, of course. Shop. Okay, we could optimize this, the main shop page, because right now it is only shop, lots of fur, add keywords and intent. Okay, the about us title is fine structurally, but you could add a value hook. Okay, this is good. We can do this. So then here are our first optimizations that we can prefer that we can do on the website. Then let's move on. Recommendations, rewrites, homepage, keep as it is or test. Okay, then shop. Okay, here we directly have some recommendations how we can rename our shop page. So shop, custom pet portraits, max. Okay, this is really good. I like this. Yeah, this is really good for our website. Then for our about us page, here we have the recommendation. Yeah, this is nice. Then for our FAQ page, of course, this is good. I will change this. Then the meta description, missing week. I couldn't read meta. Okay, maybe I have to look in this a little bit later. And recommendations for the meta description for the homepage. I already have a meta description. I think, yeah, he has some problems with reading our meta descriptions for whatever reason. But yeah, I will take a look into this, what our meta description are right now. And otherwise, if there's a problem with the meta description, I will use this meta description that GPT-5 recommends here. Then the structure, this is interesting what he found here. So homepage used a single H1. Okay, this is good. And several H2. Okay, perfect. Shop one H1. So for the shop, we have to modify the H1 title. The about us is good, are descriptive, it's good. Then the FAQ is generic, so we have to use another or a different H1. This is yeah, really critical that we optimize the H1 so that the H1 heading, so that the search engines exactly know what our website or what this specific page is all about. We have to change this. Then global footer block reused in H2. Okay, of course, yeah, we can ignore the footer because the footer is global. Then keyword usage, let's see. Home includes strong primary terms, custom pet portraits, custom pet art, plus product types. Okay, without stuffing, here's no problem with the keywords on the homepage. Then the shop, okay, shop and FAQ could benefit from more explicit keywords in H1 and into paragraphs. Okay, yeah, then we can fix this on the shop page and the FAQ page. Yeah, I think with the image, all text, yeah, we have a big problem with the image because we have so many images. And yeah, not all images are optimized right now with the alt text and so on. Then yeah, very descriptive alt text. Okay, let's see, internal linking. Home already links to category, about us. Okay, we have to take a look into this page for the internal linking. Okay, linking, I think we have to make this a little bit better. Readability and content gaps. Home messaging is strong. Consider a clearer value stack above the fold. Yeah, this is a little bit difficult, but let's see what we can do about this. And yeah, so on and so on. And here is our action plan. Yeah, this is really nice. So then we can copy this, and then we can work on this step by step, and yeah, until we fixed all the issues, or we improved the content of our website, or the meta tags, the meta descriptions, and so on. Improve the content of our website. And yeah, I think this is really nice what GPT has done for us here. And yeah, so now I exactly know what I can do on the website. So fix a little bit here and rename the meta description for the homepage, or no, not for the homepage, for the About Us page and FAQ and the shop, I think it was. And yeah, but I think this is really helpful what GPT-5 can do for us here. And yeah, so I think that's it for the video. Now you know exactly how you can, or how GPT-5 can help you with your on-page SEO. And of course, if you want to have the prompt I used here, then I will link this in the video description down below. There you will find a link, and then you can simply copy this, put in your own URL in here, and then yeah, take a look at your website, at your online store, and then you can fix your main SEO problems, and yeah, then you will rank higher on the organic search results, and you will get more visitors to your website, to your online store. You will sell more products and so on. And yeah, so that's it for the video. I think, yeah, if you like the video, if you found the video informative, then please press the thumbs up button, and also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, yeah, every subscription, every thumbs up helps a lot. And yeah, that's it for now. Then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.